friends, today we're making a project with leaves. I have a pretend leaf. This is kind of made out of fabric, but go outside and look around your neighborhood and find any kind of leaf you would like. We're sending home a giant popsicle stick and some silly looking eyes. You'll need your pencil box. You're going to open up your box. You'll need your glue. If you'd like to color your stick, you can use the markers, you can use crayons, anything you'd like to decorate that any way you like. You're going to take your eyes, press them. Anywhere you put your eyes is the right way when you are 3. Things are not always perfect when you're 3, but they're sure fun. Again, we're using our muscles in our hands to press. This is also known as our fine motor skills. And any way you can do it when you're 3 is great. You're going to press and count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my eyes are staying. You can decorate with markers and make a face, a mouth, a nose, anything you like. Then you're going to take your glue stick and you're going to need to rub it probably about 10 times. You can count to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you're not sure how to count to 10, that's okay. Count to 5 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're 3 and we're learning, so that is just right, my friends. You're going to put this on and press and count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have our friend. What do you think? I love him. He needs a mouth though. Have fun. Look around your neighborhood. Bye, friends.